This is my new bike check for CN Present on YouTube. It is a Fit Street 2. Got it a couple months ago. It's been in pretty good shape. Had to replace a lot of stuff like the bars bent and everything else pretty much gay. Sprocket tacoed. It was pretty bad. Start things off. I got a Animal GLH front tire. I'm still running the Alienation plain black single wall rims. I got the fit forks from the bike when it came complete. They're still holding up pretty good. I got a McNeil stem, you know. It's the McNeil cell stem, I think, yeah. Then I got the Colony default bars, 26 width and 8-inch rise. They're pretty sweet. They've been holding up pretty good. No bends, no nothing. They're strong. They're pretty light too. I got the Fly singles. They've been holding up pretty good. They're like really soft. They haven't worn out or nothing. I'd subscribe those to anybody who rides BMX. They're pretty good. Still riding the Shadow Barons. They're pretty chipped up, but whatever. Still good. On my Rose Status Duo seat pivotal. It's pretty nice, comfortable. It's starting to kind of wear down a bit, but I'm getting a new McNeil SL Slim seat. I got the Shadow Conspiracy post, if you can see that right there, and I got the Duo Royal seat post clamp. It's pretty sweet. And now getting to the rear end of the bike, I got a Fit FAF, also stands for fastest beep. You know, it's pretty sweet. Stock hub, stock spokes, blah 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 blah. I got a KMC half-link chain. It's pretty sweet. I like it. Then I got the Eastern Medusa lighter sprocket. It's pretty sweet. Then I have a Chromoly 6053 crank. I don't like it. I hate it. 100% hate it. Would not tell anybody to buy it. Then I got the Odyssey plastic PC pedals in clear. They're kind of almost done. I'll probably have orange ones soon. FSA impact headset. You know, just your regular stuff. But like, that's my bike, and it was a pretty sweet build. Comment, rate, subscribe. Shall be sweet. Thanks for taking your time. Remember, this is the Fit Street 2, and that's still the Fit Street frame. So, thanks for watching. Bye, YouTube.